How to make video with pictures and music Instagram. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To make video with pictures and music on Instagram, tap on your Instagram application. Start off by logging in into your Instagram account. So over here, if your Instagram is not up to date, make sure you do so. Then start off by tapping on your story. Here you can select on a background of the story or you can just click a blank screen. After that you need to tap on the sticker icon that is at the top, then head over and find the option of photo. From here select on number of photo that you wish to add on your Instagram to create a story. So over here go ahead and repeat the same process. After you are done with choosing the photograph, you can actually go ahead and click on the music icon at the top and search for the music that you wish to add. Then just tap on the music and select your layout of the song. Then just go ahead and click on your story option. And just like that, you have created a video with pictures and music on Instagram. This sums up the tutorial as well.